Put the camera down.
I'll take a picture of you and Pappy.
He's coming out.
Just look, it's on record. Get over here, you.
Give him another piece. No, give him another piece of chocolate. Give him another. Let her give you a piece of chocolate.
Give me a piece of chocolate.
Give Pappy. Okay.
Yeah, Mark.
Whoop. Whoop.
What's that?
That says world's greatest pappy.
Stomach. It's the stomach.
Your stomach.
My stomach?
Yeah. What's that noise? What's that noise?
There's a monkey in my belly.
Oh. Give me some chocolate. Give me some chocolate. Give me some chocolate.
Does your belly make a noise?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Is there a monkey in there?
Yeah.
Here's some more chocolate.
Give me more chocolate.
More chocolate. More.
Give again. Do again.
Whoa! Stand over here. Stand by the X. There's the X. See the X? Stand on the X. Alright, now here's some chocolate. What are you doing? X marks the spot. Yep, here. Yep. Alright, more chocolate for anybody?
Casey, right here.
Okay.
Mommy, my chocolate.
Whoa!
Give Pappy some chocolate. He's hungry.
Damn it.
Whoa!
Grandma and me didn't have any chocolate.
Give me more.
Whoa!
What's that noise?
That's Pappy's belly.
Oh.
You got enough on there because it's good.
Hey, Betty.